Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to show you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys aren't interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this is a collab. It's actually a double feature. We did the unit Brienne as well as this one that I'm showing right now, Patrice. We have a total of 4 reviews on it, so definitely make sure you guys check out my girl over at Halfbakedhairreviews. I'll have her information in the description box below. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay diva, so jumping right in, today we have Bobbi Boss Patrice in the color number 1B. So yeah, I don't know why this clip is so long, but anyways, this is Patrice and I have it in the color number 1B. So here's how she looks. She has beautiful crimps. I really just love these crimps. Like, they are just giving everything we need. Okay, so here's the cap construction. It is average head friendly. I do fall on the larger side, and it does come with 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And this unit does also feature baby hairs. Okay, so I feel like this parting area was a little bit tight, but it was okay still. So here's how the unit falls on me. So it goes a little bit like, it's like all the way down my back. And I am 5'2", and I do have a shorter neck in case you want to use that for a reference. But now I'm just going in and making the unit work for me. I did feel like I had to flatten out the parting area because it was a little bit of humpage. However, that's pretty normal. It's probably because of the way the crimps were. So I wouldn't hold it against Bobbi Boss. But next I'm going to go in and add some powder to the parting space to make it look a little bit more visible and more natural and kind of loosen up that tight area. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to do to prep this wig and make it look really good on myself. So yeah, overall I think it's a really pretty style, but you guys know I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. So yeah. Yes, these crimps are giving. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? Look at these crimps. Okay, I'm going to finish out with my closing thoughts. Okay, divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay, divas, so jumping right in, I did want to talk about the cons first, but I really don't have any cons. Well, yes, I do. I lied. Okay, so as you guys know, I did not run my fingers through this hair, and it's because I wanted to preserve this beautiful wave here because it's so beautiful. So I'm not going to run my fingers through it. However, I would say to assume that it is going to tangle because, I mean, hello, like, look at how long she is. Like, she's freaking long, and then she is obviously a synthetic fiber unit. So I would say to guess that she would tangle. So yeah, I'm not too sure about shedding, but I know for sure that she probably would tangle. So I'm just guessing, but yeah. So the only con that I really have with this unit is the parting space. Now I got a little bit spoiled because it does look good. I'm not gonna lie, it does look good. Like, once I flattened it out and added my powder, it looks good. But before, it was looking kind of tight and like it wasn't going to look that good. So just make sure that you put powder and flatten your part, okay? Because I feel like that is needed for it to look good. Because the other one, it was just kind of flawless out the pack. With this one, I guess you just had to just like kind of flatten it out. And I think that's mainly too because of the style. So I won't really like count it as a con like against Bobbi Boss, because I know with crimps, like, it could like kind of throw off the parting area because I've done crimps before. So but I would definitely recommend for you to go ahead and, you know, flatten it out and put your powder so it could look good. So now let's go ahead and get into the pros. The pros is obviously the hairstyle. It looks so freaking good. Like, look at those waves, you guys. Like, I have not seen like a crimp unit that looks this freaking good. Like, have you guys seen that? Like, it's so freaking pretty. So I really do love the way these crimps look. They just look so just perfect, and that's why I was like, I can't run my fingers through it. I also really like, after I fix it, I do like the parting area, so that's something I like as well. And yeah, the cap fits really comfortable, and that's another thing I wanted to bring up, which I did go ahead and review the other new one that they just came out with, and it has these same features. So this is the MediFresh Safe and Clean Cap. It blocks UV rays and it's antibacterial, and it has great ventilation and all of those things. Well, the great ventilation is true, and I'm sure the other things are true. I would hope that they're not going to put something on there, so that's pretty good. And especially, you know, with the times that we're going through right now, we definitely need things that are antibacterial. So I am happy that they do have that. This unit does come in a bunch of colors, so you definitely don't have to go with like a natural color like I did, but I just feel like these styles look so good in like the black or dark brown color, so that's why I wanted to get it. I actually wanted to get the color on the stock car model and the 1B, but they didn't even have, like, it was sold out. Like the minute it came out, it was like boom, sold out, so I wasn't able to get my hands on it. But yeah, I think this unit is gorgeous. I would definitely recommend her. Now, she is for the fabulous ones, okay? Like, she's very long and, you know, she's gorgeous. Like, this is for the fabulous glam girls, okay? But I mean, if you're not a fabulous glam girl every day, I feel like you definitely should put her in your wig arsenal for like those special occasions. Like if you have somewhere to go, which I know is kind of limited right now, but if you like have somewhere to go, I definitely feel like this is a good one to be able to pop out with, okay? Because she's definitely a look. So overall, I really do like her. Like, I really like her. And please excuse my little low cut shirt I'm wearing today. I was feeling a little like I wanted to be a little sexy with this hair. Okay, so before I close out the video, I did want to let you guys know that this is a collab video. I'm actually collabing with Halfbakedhairreviews on 2 units, the 2 newest units from Bobbi Boss. So make sure you guys go ahead and check them out. I will be sure to have all the links in the description box below. And make sure you guys check out Halfbakedhairreviews and tell her that your girl sent you. So I think you guys will really like her. She has amazing energy. Like, oh my gosh, I really just love her whole vibe in her videos, and I love how she styles her units. Like, I really look forward to when she's gonna upload, because she always does like different styles with the unit and show all the versatility and everything, and I really do like that. And like I said, she's just a really, like, you could get like vibes from her. Like, you could tell she's like a genuine kind person, and I just really love that, because energy is everything. But yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and check her out and check out all of our videos and our collab. So there will be a total of 4, so 2 on each unit. So definitely make sure you guys go ahead and check them out, and I will have the links in the description box below. And also, if you guys are interested in this unit, I definitely will have a link in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But that's pretty much it. I do hope that you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you fabulous divas are thinking. Let me know if you're gonna get this unit. Did you already buy it? Just let me know what you're thinking. I want to know what you're thinking about this wig, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.